You live.
We have got a thick lid on the atmosphere today, a thick warm layer, so we're capped. Hardly any clouds at all can form, but we've got severe weather blowing up to the west. Notice all the watch boxes to the west. Those are tornado watches from Minnesota down into the western Corn Belt here, and I think a line of severe storms will form this evening. These will march eastward. Now, as we get into the overnight hours tonight, the line will weaken about right here. But as we get into the day tomorrow, temperatures rising into the 90s, a lot of humidity, that little outflow boundary from these storms weakening, and also a cold front will act as foci for a new line of storms to form about here tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. And that line of storms will pass through with a severe weather threat for the viewing area. Let's start out with this evening, though. Again, no problems for Memorial Day celebrations and remembrances as we head through the evening. 85 at 9 still, mostly sunny by 11. A nice hazy, muggy night. 80 degrees still at 11 o'clock with winds out of the south. Again, two foci tonight, if you will. We've got the heat and we've got severe weather in the forecast. Tomorrow, again, afternoon, evening, severe weather potential. It looks like a little squall line racing out of Illinois with mainly a damaging straight line wind threat. And then, after a little break Wednesday with slightly cooler, slightly less humid conditions, the front will work back north. We get a cluster of storms that passes through later on in the day with a severe threat. And again, lots of warm weather, lots of heat, lots of humidity, and several 90-plus days in this forecast as summer really cranks up. A very muggy night tonight, though. We're talking lows in the low 70s generally. 71 Burlington, 72 Fowler and Crawfordsville, 71 at Monticello, and a hot day tomorrow, low 90s area-wide. The heat index mid to upper 90s. Some of you will be pushing 100 for the heat index tomorrow afternoon. 92 West Point and Chalmers, 91 at Maderryville. It is clear and hazy tonight, but check out what happens tomorrow. Again, here are the storms forming in Illinois. There's your line of storms passing through in the afternoon and evening. It gets out of here, and Wednesday looks dry. So here's the area highlighted with the severe weather threat zone for tomorrow as that line forms about here and races through. I think once you get south of I-70, it looks very capped. So the storm action will be pretty scattered and doesn't look too severe. So it'll be up in our area that sees the severe weather. That races off. It's slightly cooler, slightly less humid Wednesday. Winds will be out of the northwest, but the front will start working back north. We could have a little cluster of hail-producing storms pop here and drop southeastward on the front Thursday afternoon. Then the front moves back north. It's back to the heat and humidity Friday, and we could have a little cluster just like Sunday kind of ride down that warm front just north of the area. So the northern counties could bear the brunt of it this Saturday. Hot Sunday, and then maybe another line of storms Monday, and then turning just a little bit cooler, but overall a hot forecast. 72 tonight, 92 tomorrow. PM storms, 86 Wednesday. Some storms on Thursday at 86, and then the heat is on. Heat index pushing 100. We'll be up into the 90s Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. 87 on Monday. But, you know, Nicole, even after that, highs are going to stay in the mid-80s. So we're not looking at any big cool down anytime soon. Summer is starting off on a very hot note.
And it'll be nice to have it cool down just a bit.
Just a little bit. Wednesday will feel a little better. 86 is better than the 92 we had today.
Perfect summer weather then.
That's right.
Thanks, Chad.